Good morning from the For the See Me. This is Chris Robinson with your Traders Exclusive comment today, Tuesday the 3rd, the first week of November. What are we looking at in the grains and livestock? Very quickly, a lot of people were trying to call a base in soybeans, corn, and possibly wheat. We've had some very whippy trade in the wheat in the past week and a half. Last week we were up 30 cents. Yesterday we dropped 15. The market is focused on technicals. I would advise you to take a look at trend lines, both in December corn and January beans. We're right against a support trend line there. A lot of people are trying to get long against that trend line, so it's giving you a reason to put a trade on. If you're a believer that the rally is going to follow through, then that's going to be an area of support for you. If you're fading everybody that's wanting to get long here, if we drop below that trend line, that may be your signal to get short against it. So trend line gives you opportunity, okay? And if you're a speculator, that's really what you're looking for. Once you've made your decision, it's really important how you manage the position once it's in place. So these trend lines are giving you a chance to have an opinion and back your opinion up either with a long or short position. Take a look at those trend lines. We are 1 week away from USDA report, which is going to give us more clarity on corn and bean yields. That could give you opportunity as well, because if the yields aren't what the trade is anticipating for corn and beans, you could get a good market move. And again, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for opportunity. Switching over to the cattle and hogs. The livestock market is in a downtrend. We've had a good snapback in the live hogs, in the live cattle, which is fat cattle, and feeder cattle. We got up to 6-week highs. We're up against some resistance there. That is giving you an opportunity. Are you a believer that there's going to be another leg high, or do you think it's time to do a counter trend trade? That's your decision. If you look at what's going on in the hogs, 1 week ago we were at 4-month highs. In 3 weeks we dropped $7, and we're down at 6-year lows and 8-month lows, depending on which contract you're looking at. So when you get these moves, it gives you opportunity, and that's the final thing I really want to stress today. The technicals, be they trend lines or 100-day moving averages, they're just pivot points for you to make a trade decision. Then once you've made that trade decision, then you've got to manage it. That's really about it. Looking forward, I think the next week is going to be very choppy for the grains as we wait for the USDA a week from today. Have a great day. This is Chris Robinson.